Hello and welcome back to Hadoop Exam Learning Resources. In this session, we are going to cover AWS Solution Architect Professional Level question number 42. These questions are provided by hadoopexam.com. This is from practice paper 1. Now let me go to directly question number 42 and then understand what it is asking. You are working in a company called Quick Game Inc., which is a giant mobile game provider with millions of users. Quick Game Inc. use the following AWS services which have a backend service for game and mobile application in which network latency has a direct impact on a user experience. Then while deciding the AWS reason for these services, which of the below option you will prefer? So again, now let's go to the explanation for this question. So this 4 point we have already covered. So let me directly go here, jump here. You may have a backend service for a game and mobile application, correct? Game and mobile application which have network latency has a direct impact on the user, which is question is also asking. So for that, measure the difference in network latency between each region and determine if it is worth the increased cost. Then this is one thing you can choose, or you can leverage the Amazon CloudFront Edge network, which helps reduce latency and increase communication quality. This is because it uses a fully managed AWS network infrastructure which connects your application to the edge location and nearest to the user. So that is a good choice here. So based on this question options, this is what you would choose. You will use AWS CloudFront Edge network. This is not a just a region selection. Region with high cost is different, but this is final answer which would help you on this. So let me submit. So this is the correct answer for this question. So you need to understand what question is asking, and based on you need to choose the options. Okay, so that's all about this question number 42. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this session. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe it, and please keep visiting hadoopexam.com for more premium material and also our software solutions based on the cloud we develop and we deliver using quicktechie.com website. So currently one product is available is converting your text to speech basically on mp3 format directly, correct? So let me launch website. You can see here, so these videos you can go through and understand more. We are developing more on that, like converting direct textbook into your website based on audiobook, your textbook converted as a website directly and presented as a uh, audiobook website, and plus at the same time you can read those books as well. So that similar example you can see on our another website is radiobook.com. So similar to this, you would find a solution here once you go here. So like let me open any fiction here and you can read it here and go to chapter 1. So similar website would automatically create it for you once you use those software, correct? And then you can listen this audiobook as well as you can read the audiobook. Okay, so that is the solution we are going to provide for this. Okay, so please visit this quicktechie.com and try to get subscription of this software. That would help you to convert your learning material into audiobook and you can listen it whenever you want it. So that's all. Thanks for watching. I'm stopping now and wish you all the best for your career.